plus 1 equals 6.
I am 6. Time for some tricks. 6
minus 1 equals 5.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spots, just like me.
What is it?
This little block is full of tricks. It's got 6 faces, 1 to 6. It's called a die, it's called a dice. Dice or die, both names are nice. What's it for? Let me explain. Want to know more? Let's play a game. And this game goes like this. When you see a number, make the shape.
1. 1 spot on the dice.
Make the shape. 1.
1, 2, 2 spots on the dice.
Make the shape. 2.
1, 2, 3. 3 spots on the dice.
Make the shape. 3.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spots on the dice.
Make the shape. 4.
It's a square.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spots on the dice.
Make the shape. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 spots on the dice. Make the shape. 6. I'm number 6, and I've got game. When you hear my name, you'll be glad you came. So take a chance, take my advice. Do a little dance and throw the dice. I'm number 6, I'm in the mix. Good times are my goal, that's how I roll.
You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Oh, 6 plus 1 equals 7.
I am 7, and I feel lucky. Chapter 7, Falling on My Feet. Fancy meeting you up here. That's lucky. I'm 7. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks. Oh, how funny. That cloud is red. And here comes orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Watch this. Whee! Hoo-hoo-hoo!
Oh!
Look out! 7
Plus 1
equals
8. I am 8. This is great. Chapter 8. The Secret Story of Octoblock. Once, 8 was just an ordinary mild-mannered number with 8 blocks. And that means 8 as well. But one day, 8 was tickled by a radioactive octopus. It gave me special powers. So if anyone needs help, they can call on Octoblock. To the rescue! Octoblock catch! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Catch! 8
plus 1
equals
9. I am 9 and I feel fine. Chapter 9. Sneeze a jolly good fellow. Hello, I am 9. I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Numberblocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Numberblocks. 1 and another 1 is 2 and another 1 is
me.
That's 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for some number fun. You can count on us with the Numberblocks.